The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, southern Broward County in southeastern Florida, eastern Palm Beach County in southeastern Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive softball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These destructive thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hialeah, approximately 6 miles southwest of Coral Gables, and were moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. Hazard: 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impacts: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be lethal to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have significant roof and window damage. Vehicles will experience substantial windshield damage, costing thousands of dollars in vehicle repairs. Extensive tree damage and power outages are expected. These severe thunderstorms will be near Miami Gardens at approximately 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Dania Beach at approximately 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and Boca Raton at approximately 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these thunderstorms include Miami, Miami Beach, Kendall, Pinecrest, Palmetto Bay, Miami Lakes, Doral, Pembroke Park, Hallandale Beach, and Oakland Park. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation with hurricane-force speeds expected. Mobile homes and vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. These storms have the potential to inflict serious injury and significant property damage. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday for northern Miami-Dade and southern Broward counties. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach.